Today we are heading to the bee farm on the north side of the island with some friends we met from the UK, Jack and Happy, and their two little kids. And we are going to take the free bus up there because a grab would be $30 each way. So here we go. We made it to the bee farm.
Wow.
Delicious.
I would eat that.
So 99% of the bees in the hive is the worker bees. Yeah. And all worker bees are female. Yeah.
All worker bees are female?
Yeah, all of the worker bees are female. Only 1% of them is the male bees. So let me check. Is there any male bees right here? No, so let me check the front. Yeah, so if you look deeply inside, you can see the baby bees or the larva.
Oh, yeah.
I do.
Would you like to hold it?
Hello, you gonna hold it? No, thanks.
You want to hold it, Camry?
No, no.
Yeah.
Here, I'll do it.
Let's do it. Yay!
You want to hold one side? Okay.
Okay.
Look at her. Look at this. They're not going to get you. You just got to hold it still.
I think it's just regular honey. So we got some coffee here at the bee farm, and we put some honey in it. It's a pretty strong black coffee, so hopefully the honey will.
Oh, it's so good.
I haven't tried it with the honey yet.
It's good. It's strong, but it's good.
The coffee here will make you stand up in the corner.
This is about
So we got some chicken spring rolls here and some veggie fried rice and some shrimp fried rice. I'll pop the.
that looks.
I feel like after we taste this mojito, we're going to be disappointed in every other mojito we ever taste because we've never had one before. This one looks amazing. We're at the Food Plot and Bee Farm today. And this is a passion fruit mojito.
Oh, I do it. Wait. No, I can do it. You can switch.
That's amazing. It's got the passion fruit. And we tasted some fresh mints over there. They make a lot of different mints.
I want to do a make
That's just amazing. You should order your own. Very good.
And the price of that was $100K. Here we have a tasting station here where you can taste all the different types of honey they make. We have cinnamon, garlic, raw honey, turmeric, peppercorn. Our favorites were the garlic, cinnamon, and peppercorn.
I have one. Got chicken.
Green pigeon. Ha 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 ha.
What's a ha?
Ha ha, he was laughing. He was laughing. The pigeon started laughing. So we went to the bee farm and we had a lovely meal, and we decided to make an impromptu visit on the way back to Sunset Town to a waterfall. So we're going to check out the waterfall and see what it's about. I have no idea. We did no research on this. We're just showing up at a waterfall. Simply goes back to the ancient days. Apparently they have water bottles and wet cream cones too. Structure here. Isn't that cool? That is the coolest thing.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
How?
Ba. 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 Ba, con nói với bác coi con nói còn đẹp hơn ba. Nói với em ba. Ba. Okay, just ask anything. That's my food.
It's about a 15-minute trek from here to the waterfall. We are making it. My little honey is being a trooper.
My first hike. My hamstring. Crying a little bit, but it'll make it. I chose a hang bag for some aqua therapy on my hamstring, but they're sliding or something. I don't really know. The water feels incredible. We're having a great time today. It's a beautiful area. I mean, this is what a work day looks like now. I am all in.
Very slippery. The water feels very cold.
Yeah, it's just refreshing.
We're at the waterfall. We made it today. It was awesome. First time ever being in a waterfall. Unbelievable.